There was a massive fire at the Tripura University in the lab of Forestry and Biodiversity department on Monday morning. All the equipment, tools and testing materials got burned completely. A fire engine vehicle has arrived at the incident place immediately after they got the fire report. Another fire burn incident on Monday morning. There was a massive fire at the Tripura University in the lab of Forestry and Biodiversity department on Monday morning. All the equipment, tool and testing material got burnt completely and left nothing. A fire engine vehicle arrived at the incident place immediately after they got the fire report. However, all the equipment and testing material inside the lab got burned due to the massive fire. All the official guards and staff of the university were in the state of shock by the fire burn incident at the Forestry and Biodiversity lab on Monday morning.
कुछ नहीं होने चाहिए चलेगा।
However, none of the official and staff has spoken a word about how the lab got burned in the beginning. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.